help diagnose it. A sound that pops up whenever I get into the throttle. What is that? I thought it was an air leak. I tightened up some of the tubing under the hood, but it still comes when I hit the throttle. If you can help me diagnose this problem, I greatly appreciate it.